Good evening. Today is Friday, March 15, 2024, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL Store 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for March 15, 2024, Friday. Here are the SL Store 3 7 p.m. draw results for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Friday, March 15, 2024. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of March 15, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.